Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about parameterized constructor in C++ programming. Parameterized constructor takes parameter like any other normal function, and the parameters are used to initialize the data members of an object. Like in example, here we have one constructor called student, which is taking two parameters, integer x and integer y. Now whenever we create object of the student class and pass parameters, then the parameters will be mapped down to x and y, and eventually those parameters will be used to initialize the data members of the object. So in this example program we have one class called student, and under the public access specifier we have one data member string name. And now we're gonna create one parameterized constructor, so the name of the constructor will be same as the class name, and the constructor will take one string parameter s, and the string will be used to initialize the name of the student. And now inside the main method, whenever we create one object of the student class, then we have to pass the parameter. So I'm gonna pass the name Tom, and the string will be used to initialize the name data member. So now we can use the cout and we can print the name of the student. So now I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna run the program, and you can see we have the output. So this way we can create one parameterized constructor which can take parameters, and we can use the parameter and we can initialize the data member of the object. And whenever we create one object of the class, we have to pass one parameter, and eventually that parameter will be used to initialize the data member of that object. So hope you understand about the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.